Hi and welcome. I'm Ronnie Mann, Technology Development Coordinator at ATS. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing clinical health requirement forms that you must read, sign, date, and upload to Project Concert. These are student signature forms. And to start this process, you'll need to go to Project Concert. It's a good idea to bookmark this site as a favorite in your browser, and all your documents must be in a PDF format. The web address for Project Concert is secure.projectconcert.com/ETSU/login. Logging into Project Concert will bring you to the landing page, and one really good place to get started for the CHR's clinical health requirements is to look at the CHR packet. You'll see there on the left side on the landing page, but I'm going to be focused on section 1 on forms, and depending on your program, you will have up to 8 forms to sign, and you will need to read, complete, sign, and date these forms, and then you can submit your forms as one PDF document titled Signature Forms, and then this gives you area where to upload them to, and I'll be stepping you through that here in a moment. And navigate back over to Project Concert, and another area of help is in the bottom of your screen where it says tutorials. The very first item is clinical health requirements and documents uploads. This is a PDF as well, and this has some really good information about how to get where you're going to upload your critical documents. To see what documents that you are required and the status, we'll go to information in the left column, select Information Edit. You will want to make sure that the tab Clinical Requirements, Data and Forms are selected. The items in the left column are what you will be required to complete and upload, and you also will be able to see the status of those that have been uploaded, and you can see the comments, details, notes, due date, effective date, expiration date, those kind of things pertaining to that form. To locate and download the forms that you're going to need, go back to your left hand column, and under Portfolio, go to Program Docs, select Expand All, and here you will see the documents. In the right side of your screen, you can view the document and you can download the document. So you can view that document. You also can download that document, and it will go to your download folder container on your computer or your device. You can open this document, and it is interactive. You can fill out the appropriate information, sign and date each and every document, and you can download the finished product there, or just simply print from this screen. Now that you have your documents downloaded and completed and signed and dated, you will want to navigate to Information once again, Information Edit. This time the focus is uploading your documents, so you'll want to click on the Documents tab, and in the left corner you will want to Add Document, and at this point you will to navigate by choose File and navigate to your files to upload, or you can just simply drag and drop to this screen. And before you drag and drop, you want to go to the top of this screen and select the type of documents. You're going to want it to be able to select type, then put in the date, and in the title you're going to want to put in that it is your signature documents. You don't want to add "this is my document," or you don't want to add titles like that. You don't want to add in any kind of web address. Just keep it as simple and just use keywords pertaining to the title of the document. And then you can, in your comments, you can include what the documents are, and that's not a necessity, but you can do that. PDFs only can be uploaded here, and if you're uploading from an iPhone, you can use your Notes app to scan documents into a PDF and be uploaded that way. And in closing, you want to make sure that you read, date, and sign and upload all the required documents. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on student signature forms. I'm Ronnie Mann, Technology Development Coordinator. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any additional questions. Have a wonderful day.